Hello everyone, I am Miss Pooja Hiranwar and today we will deal with the lesson Disaster Management for Earthquakes and Cyclones. Let us have a look at the PPT. Disaster Management, Earthquakes and Cyclones. Let us have a look at the definition of disaster. A disaster can be designed as an unexpected adverse event of immense magnitude that causes catastrophic damage to human life as well as the natural surroundings. Earthquake is a disaster. An earthquake is one of the most destructive forces of nature. It is a sudden and violent movement of the Earth's crust followed by a series of shocks of lesser intensity. An earthquake caused underwater is known as tsunami. Effects of earthquake. There are two types of effects, children, primary and secondary. In primary effects involve the destruction of human settlements in the form of collapsing building bridges that kill and injured several people. Secondary effects include tsunami, fire due to explosion of gas pipes, contamination of water supply due to bursting of water pipelines, spread of epidemics. Preparing oneself for earthquake is very important. So, training ourselves in basic rescue and first aid functions is very important for all. In case the tremor are felt, we should immediately use the drop, cover and hold technique. We should repair existing building to make the earthquake resistant. During an earthquake, duck down under a desk, stay away from heavy objects till the shaking stops. Run into an open field and if in a high-rise building, move along the interior wall, keeping away from lifts and windows. If outdoor, move into a clear area away from trees and power lines. If in a car, pull over and bow at its side. Let us have a look at the cyclones now. You know what is the meaning of cyclone? The word cyclone is derived from the Greek word QUAKE, meaning the coils of a snake. It is a large-scale air mass that moves around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. How are cyclones formed? Warm sea temperature, high relative humidity, and atmospheric instability contribute to the formation of cyclonic winds. In a cyclone, giant unstable spiral cloud bands are formed with a highly active central cloud core called eye of the cloud. The worst weather conditions prevail around the edge of the eye called wall of the eye. Cyclone starts to cut as it hits the land or move towards higher altitude area. Effects of cyclone. Power winds, heavy rainfalls and flooding cause huge loss. Physical damage is done such as uprooting of trees, electric telephonic poles, etc. Rain and winds also affect old buildings, thatched houses and standing crops. Flooding leads to spread of epidemic. Managing cyclones. Upon receiving the cyclone warnings, shut all the doors and windows and listen to the TV and radio for alerts. Keep some food in waterproof bags so that you can take it in case of an emergency exit. During evacuation, keep away from the sea, power lines, etc. while you're moving in a vehicle. Aftermath check for damaged structures such as fallen power line, bridges, etc. is also to be done. So this was all about the disaster management in earthquakes and cyclones. Thank you.